ready to cash out some of those crypto gains or simply diversify your holdings. Today, we're diving deep into how to sell crypto directly within your Safepal wallet, making the process seamless and secure. First, make sure you've downloaded and set up your Safepal wallet. Once you're in, locate and tap the trade icon, typically found on the bottom navigation bar. This is your gateway to converting your digital assets. Next, you'll see a list of supported trading pairs. Safepal offers a variety, allowing you to trade your crypto for other cryptocurrencies, or even convert them into stablecoins like USDT. Select the pair you want to trade. For example, if you want to sell Bitcoin for USDT, choose the BTC USDT pair. Now ensure you're on the Sell tab, usually indicated by a red button or a downward arrow. This confirms you are selling the first asset in the pair. Here, you can choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell. For most users, a market order offers the quickest and simplest way to sell. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell. If using a limit order, also specify the price at which you want to sell. Double-check all the details carefully, ensuring the correct amount and price. Review your order one last time on the confirmation screen, making sure everything is accurate. Then, tap the Confirm button. You may be prompted to authorize the transaction using your password, fingerprint, or Face ID, depending on your Safepal security settings. And that's it. Once confirmed, your order will be executed, and the equivalent value of your chosen cryptocurrency will be added to your wallet balance. Selling crypto with Safepal is that easy.